Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the ZealSound K66 USB microphone. A really beautiful one, has definitely a similar style as the blue Yeti, comes also with very good functions. We have a built-in colored mute button, we have the gain control for the microphone, we have the gain control for the live zero latency monitoring if you have a 3.5mm headset, and we have even an echo function here. The access ports are underneath, really nice, 3.5mm and USB-C, and the other side we have USB-A, but we have also adapters for Lightning and USB-C, so works for almost every device which you can imagine, like Windows computer, Mac OS, iPhone, Android phone, tablets, PS4, PS5, whatsoever. And it comes with a built-in shock mount, so it leaves all the ports here free, easy to access. It doesn't have a pop filter, but we have a windsock, really nice, adjustable here with the angle. It's a condenser microphone with a cardioid pickup pattern, so it picks up the audio from the front. This is exactly what we want usually with a USB desktop microphone, and it comes pre-assembled also with this nice foot here, so it's not tipping over, and it has also this soft foot, so it's not scratching any surface. So really beautiful, nice, has all the features, everything what we want. So I'm going to show you what you get and then how to install and how to use, and of course I'm going to provide you a live recording sample, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here we have the box with the most important specs again, also some description here and here on this side. So let's see what we get here. So everything comes nicely protected. We get also this instructions manual. You can see the model type is K66. So here a lot of information, technical specification and how to install it. Really nice in some different languages. And so here we get the microphone pre-assembled, really nice. Also you can see nicely protected, and we definitely get the foam cover if you need that, so it's flipped upside down, so we have to turn it around, and yeah, it's definitely ready to be used. That's awesome. With some of the microphones I've tested, I have already spent a lot of time assembling. That's not needed here. Really nice. We have this screw, so we can adjust the angle, and when we have it in the right position, we secure it. This microphone is a condenser microphone with a cardioid pattern, so it's recording from this side. So make sure you have it like that when you're sitting in the front of it and not pointing towards you like that, otherwise you won't hear a lot from the microphone. And so we have everything what we need. We have even this pop filter if we need. So I'm going to record two samples later, one with the foam and one without the foam. And so here we get the cable, very long USB-A to USB-C cable, really nice. And then we have a conversion adapter from USB-A to Lightning and USB-A to USB-C, so really nice. So we have everything to work also with mobile phones, even iPhones, PS4, PS5, Windows PC, Mac OS. And so let's plug it in here underneath with USB-C. Then also 3.5mm plug for the headset. And then let's connect it to the computer. Just plug it in. You don't have to do anything. Here we are on Windows. You can see it saying setting up a device, and it's showing the real name K66. This is what I like. A lot of such microphones just have a generic name. Here we have a real name, which is much more easy to identify later in the system settings. It says device is ready. That was super fast. And to confirm, we can go to the system sound settings, and we see that it has already assigned the microphone K66 in the input as a microphone and also in the output, because I have plugged in this 3.5mm headset here. So for example, you could also use this microphone then as an output. So if you have only a headset with 3.5mm plug and maybe your computer does not have 3.5mm jack, so you could use this microphone in the middle to make this work, to be able to use this headset then with your computer. And in the microphone setting, you should see the microphone responding here with this blue line. And so we can choose any recording software or then use your chat software or video recording software. And you can see it's now responding to what I'm saying. It's important to adjust the gain level here, and when you want to listen, then you can adjust the volume of the headset here. That's super convenient. A lot of microphones don't have this here, and we also have this echo here. So I'm going to record now something. I'm also using the live monitoring, latency-free live monitoring, and this works really nice. There is no delay. I can definitely confirm there is zero delay. I can hear me absolutely perfect with this headset, and so I'm adjusting here the audio level. This has definitely huge impact. I'm trying also here, yeah, also huge impact, really nice here. I'm trying the, yeah, it goes on red and then it's not recording anymore. When it's blue, it's recording, also really nicely working. And now let's also try this echo here, a very interesting thing. If you want to pretend talking in a large stadium, this could be something. And so I've been also listening to the sound, the recorded sound from this microphone, and I would say it does a decent job regarding sensitivity and clarity and everything. So a really good microphone. Of course, it doesn't record the deepest voice when you're so far away, like here in this situation, but you can go closer using the windsock, reducing the gain, and this is also what I've done. And then you can definitely achieve a deeper voice, a more natural voice. Microphone test really close with very low gain with the windsock. And so at the very end, I think it can do a really good job on a lot of things, gaming, normal office or podcasting or whatsoever. And so I can give you full recommendation. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.